So if I'm wanting to lay out, let's say, a pipe network, let's go ahead and maybe turn off these. Yeah. So let's say we're just going to go and manually draw it out, right? How do we do that? Go over to your stormwater pipes. Just say draw pipes, and we can specify how we want our pipes to be named. So I'm going to have it automatically name them. I'll give it a prefix, and how many digits do I want in there? And then you see like a little preview window here. And do I want a suffix on there? Maybe I want EX for existing or PR for proposed or something. And then for my manholes, what do I want that to look like? And then I can specify my terrain surface. And then as a default, pipe invert depth. And do I want a sump on there? What pipe diameters do I want to utilize there? And then just click on draw. Come in here, just place a manhole, for example. And you can see as I'm moving my mouse, it's tracking how far that pipe is going to be, right? And I know from being out there that there's another manhole sitting right about here, and we'll go in further down. And there's another manhole sits about right here, and we'll just throw one more in. There's one more sits right about here, and just say done. And that's been laid out now for you. So now we can go and take a look at this. And now let's say if I wanted to move something, I just grab it and move it, and it's automatically changing my length of my pipes, as well as changing it's changing my rim elevation. So it's following that terrain surface I've attached to this project. And so as I move things around, everything updates instantly, right? And of course, if I make a mistake, I can simply undo that, right? And so I have unlimited undo and redo.